good morning. This is our study time or school time. Question tika. Answer ha, tubag ako ha. Okay. Unsa ni siya nga weather? Kani kuya. Unsa ni siya nga kind of weather? Unsa ni siya nga kind of weather? Kus gaanti kong
Cloudy day.
this one.
Sunny day.
This one. Unsa ni?
Windy day.
Ha?
Windy day.
Kani?
Stormy day.
Kani? What is this?
Rainy day.
Very good. It's rainy day. So, ato ta sa animals. Animals ta. Kani, unsa ni siya nga kind of animals? What kind of animals is this? Ha?
Pow, 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 pow.
Asa man ang cow makita?
Sa farm.
Kusgay mong tingog. Asa makita ang cow?
Sa farm.
Kusga.
Farm.
Kani,
Anak na sa farm.
duck on the farm. This one.
And the sheep is in the farm.
Very good. This one.
The sea turtle is on the ocean.
This one.
The dolphin is on
No,
the...
it's not a dolphin. Whale. Sea whale.
The whale is on the ocean.
The whale. Relax.
Shark.
Kani. Kani, unsa ni siya?
Dolphin.
Dolphin is on.
The ocean.
Kani.
That's an ocean.
What is this?
Bird is in the forest.
Kani.
The elephant is on the forest.
Very good. This
The
one.
lion is on the forest too.
This one.
The monkey is in the forest.
The monkey is on the forest. One.
The
Found another one.
snake.
Wait, this one. The snake.
The snake is on the forest too. The tiger is on the forest too.
Very good. Asa na tong pig?
Pig.
Kanino? This one. What is that?